How to withdraw application from Accenture. Now, first things first, if you head out directly to Accenture.com's official site, you'll have to log into your account. So say for example, we will be applying for this specific job that's going to be on finance risk compliance, a consultant or a manager. Now, if you directly hit on apply for this job, it will automatically load up to your current applications. Now, if you have mistakenly applied for this job, then you can just definitely withdraw this application without any problems. But if the status of this application is currently on review of that specific company, then you can no longer withdraw it. Just simply go ahead to your current applications, click on the three dots and choose on withdraw application. And then it's gonna be under the process, maybe around 5 to 10 minutes for it to be completely removed from your current applications. And that's how you withdraw application from Accenture.